everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, on this beautiful day, today is the 26th, I believe, of February. Beautiful weather again. My goal is pretty simple, I think today. It's just going to be to finish this out. I may do some other things, but today it's finish this out. There's a little section on the back that I've got to do for the railing to get ready for the tailgate of the trailer. And then I'm going to take the decking off and I'm going to start working on getting everything prepped for painting. That way I can get it all prepped, cleaned up, and then get some wires ran, figure out how I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to paint it. Probably not going to wire it until after I'm done painting, but that being said, I at least want to run it, see how things are going to look. Sand off all those decals along the front, and get everything again prepped and ready for paint. I should be able to get this squared away, get some little finishing stuff done, and that is my goal today. And I'm hoping tomorrow I'll be able to throw a couple coats of paint on everything that needs to be painted, and hopefully get ready to start putting it back together. Because this weekend I am picking up my rooftop tent. It's supposed to be hopefully ready for, it's a used one, but hopefully be picking it up on Saturday, and then my new awning will be coming in as well on Friday, tomorrow. So hopefully I'll have everything ready for that. So again, just some simple tasks to get going for today, but I took it for a drive today, picked up some aluminum for my sides, and it so far seems to be doing pretty good. So so everything seems to be legit so far on it, and I'll take the whenever I get ready to take the decking off, it'll give me time to inspect all my welds underneath there where the axle's actually welded to the frame, and make sure everything's holding up pretty good. That way when I get ready to clean everything up, paint it, I can paint the welds, and then I can just go in and crawl underneath and inspect to make sure everything's still doing good. Because again, noob here, I just want to make sure everything is good. I worry about everything. So let's get to it. And again, if you haven't liked, shared, subscribed, any of that cool fun stuff, I really appreciate you doing that. It takes a lot of time to edit these videos and put them together, on top of taking time out of the trailer build, as far as setting up the cameras and getting everything going with that. So it would help me out a lot. And again, just if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and learn from my mistakes before you build your own, because that's what it's all about, right? And again, so yep, okay, I have tons of things rattling around in my head. I'm going off for like 4 hours of sleep, or 5 hours of sleep. So that being said, let's get to it and stop burning daylight. So, all right, you'll have a good day. We'll see you.
Freight car steaming down the line to Birmingham. My guitar is the only friend I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. I've been called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been scared to look in my soul. I've been afraid I would follow the road. Yeah, afraid of the things I've been told. So can you help me out? Oh, yeah. Can you help me out?
All right, everyone. Today is a new day. Yesterday, I got kind of upset, trying to do too many things at once. I've only two hands. I got my little section that I wanted done, but I didn't get nowhere near accomplished what I wanted to yesterday. So today, it's probably about 8:30. Kind of chilly at the moment, but we'll make it work. My goals today is to do this painting, and then I've got some. I'm gonna take the fenders off of the trailer and sand it all down and start painting. I'm gonna take the wheels off, get all around everywhere, and hopefully get to wiring. And then my awning should be in today, so hopefully we'll get quite a bit accomplished. I've got the I currently have the decking off of the trailer, and let me take it off of here so you can see it here. All right, so I currently have the decking off the trailer. So this is what it's looking like so far. So I've got all that off. And here is the decking. I got the second coat of little rhino line on it. I got one more coat maybe to do. So, but that's the way it's looking like so far. So quite a bit to do today. Get these cleaned up, get this done, hopefully get some wiring done and have the lights on today. So that way it'll all be good and awesome. So got these brackets right here. I don't know if I put it in the other videos, but these are gonna go along the corners where the rack system is, which is going to help provide a little bit more stability. I know I welded them in, but that being said, I wanted to add some more strength into it, and hopefully that will help with some of the vibration as far as when it's going down the road. That was my thought process anyway. We'll see how it goes. But that being said, these are everything else of the rack is gonna be painted black, and I thought this would be kind of a cool accent piece to put red to kind of tie in the trailer. So we'll see how it turns out though. That's gonna have to be grinded.
She's not ain't your public property. She's just a girl. She lost her way, although she stays, she's never yours. She doesn't breathe, she doesn't leave when she's with you. She scratches red and cuts too deep, there's nothing left to do. The world inside she sees is all in black, trapped inside a ball. The world inside she sees is always gray, trapped inside a ball. The world inside where light never comes in, trapped inside a ball.
I didn't have a chance to record the painting process due to the wind, but hey, most people can use a spray paint can. The next 2 videos of this series will show the DIY power box that I designed, as well as a trailer reveal and finale. I also wasn't able to wire the full trailer, but you won't be disappointed on how the wiring came out.